Good day. Our spelling lesson for this week is contractions. What does it mean, contraction? It's a shortened way of saying or writing word or two words. For example, she's my friend. She's is a contraction. She, the pronoun, and is, the verb to be. I joined she with is and I made it one word. And I add the apostrophe to show the missing letter, which is I. We can contract different words. We could do contractions with is. For instance, if I'm going to contract with the pronoun he, I get it. He, his. She, shiz. And remember to add the apostrophe in the place where the missing letter used to be. It, its. What, what's. That, that's. Here, here's. Now, let's move on to another type of contraction. Let's say I want to do contractions with not. For example, if I want to say isn't or is not, so the contraction will be isn't. The missing letter is O, so I put the apostrophe in the place where the O is supposed to be. Are, not, it becomes aren't. Do, not, it becomes don't. Did, not, didn't. Does, not. Doesn't. Another example of contraction is the use of am. Usually we say, I am a good student. I can make a contraction by dropping the A and adding the M to make or form one word. And I put the apostrophe in the place where the A is missing. am a good boy or am a good student. All right, our lesson is very easy. I just want you to go to the handouts and do pages 178, 179, 180, 182, 183.